Welcome to How to Develop an Effective Scientific Poster. This tutorial is brought to you by the Research Medical Library at the University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center. In this tutorial, we define scientific posters, discuss purpose, and outline best practices for communicating your research. We also share resources to help you create a great scientific poster. In this portion of the tutorial, we get to know the scientific poster and its parts. A scientific poster can be defined as a systematically organized and heavily illustrated summary of research. Like a scientific paper, a poster includes four main sections: introduction, methods, results, and discussion. But unlike a paper, it relies mostly on visual elements to communicate research findings. Visual elements usually include charts, graphs, tables, and images. Scientific posters are usually developed for professional conferences. The size and pace of conferences make the poster format a great option for sharing research in quick fashion to large audiences. Visual opposed to textual content draws attention and is more easily and quickly absorbed by viewers. The setting and audience mean a well-developed poster is concise and engaging. According to 10 simple rules for a good poster presentation, posters should be considered a snapshot of your work intended to engage colleagues in a dialogue about the work, or, if you are not present, to be a summary that will encourage the reader to want to learn more. Poster content follows the standard scientific article framework, known as MRAD: introduction, methods, results, and discussion. The introduction presents the topic, provides background information, and explains why the research is significant to its respective field. The methods section describes the procedures and materials used to conduct the research. It might also describe study participants and any important time elements. The results outline important research findings, and the discussion examines conclusions, meaning, and impact of the research. Columns are used to organize the information into the sections outlined in the previous slide. A header and a footer are also present to organize the title and authors and acknowledgments. Typically, a picture and logo are also included in the header, and sometimes a QR code linking to the complete project is provided in the bottom of a column. Here's an example of a poster developed by students in MD Anderson's Summer Experience program. This poster uses a template made available by Brand Central, the institution's marketing arm. It is divided into 4 columns and includes a header with a picture and logo, a footer with acknowledgments, and several visual elements. In addition to getting content and organization right, you want to make sure you develop your poster in a responsible way, and that means including some important details. Always cite your work by providing references styled in a professional style, like AMA or APA. Make sure you recognize people and organizations who contributed to your research by naming them in your acknowledgments. Be sure to provide current contact information for yourself and co-authors so you can be contacted about your research. And finally, because your poster is a snapshot of your research, consider including a link or QR code to the complete project or any supplementary information so your audience can follow up and learn more.